Welcome back to Zapit. In this tutorial, we will guide you through buying and selling crypto for fiat and back through our instant exchange feature. Let's start with buying crypto first. In this example, we will use Bitcoin Cash. Open the Zapit app on your device and then tap the instant exchange section. If you are a first-time user, complete your KYC verification process by clicking here, and we will redirect you to our exchange partner's website where you can submit the necessary information and documents. Fill in everything that is required and click Submit. Now, if you want to buy a Bitcoin Cash, stay in the Buy tab and then enter the amount either in a fiat currency or Bitcoin Cash. Then click on Continue and recheck the preview details of your offer and slide to Confirm. Now select your payment method and enter the reference ID in the payment proof box. Once you are satisfied with the details, click Confirm to continue. Now you will have to wait on the screen till the order is processed. Congratulations! Your buy offer on Instant Exchange is now completed. Now, let's see how you can sell crypto on Zapit's Instant Exchange. Again, we will use the same example of Bitcoin Cash. Head to the Instant Exchange section and switch to the Sell tab. Now recheck your payment details and enter the amount you want to sell Bitcoin Cash for. Click Continue and check the details of your offer and slide to Confirm. Now wait for some time till your order is processed. Check the status of your offer on this screen, and once it is received, your order will be marked as complete. And there you have it. You've successfully bought and sold crypto on Zapit's Instant Exchange. As you can see, the process is quick, simple, and packed with features to cater to all your trading needs. Happy trading! For more such information by Zapit, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social handles linked below in the description.